In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export orders to CSV on Shopify. This is really useful if you want to analyze your sales, share data with your accountant, or back up your order history outside of Shopify. Let's start from the very beginning. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main admin homepage. This is where you can see an overview of your business. Things like recent activity, sales, and store performance. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, because the export will only apply to the store you currently have open. From the left-hand side menu in the admin, look for the section labeled Orders. This is where Shopify keeps all of your customer orders, whether they're open, fulfilled, canceled, or archived. Go ahead and click on Orders. After the page loads, you'll see a list of all the orders in your store, along with filters and search options at the top. If you want to export only certain orders, you can first apply filters here, such as date ranges or order statuses, before exporting. Now, take a look towards the top right area of the orders page. You should see a button labeled Export. This is the key feature we'll be using. Click on the Export button. When you do this, a small window or dialog box will pop up with your export options. In this export window, you'll see different choices, such as exporting all orders, the current page of orders, a filtered selection, or maybe orders within a specific date range, depending on your version of Shopify. You'll also see options related to the file format, and you want to make sure that CSV is selected. CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a simple spreadsheet format that works well with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or most accounting software. Once you've chosen which orders you want to export and confirmed that the CSV option is selected, click the button that says Export Orders. After you click it, Shopify will prepare the file for you. For smaller stores, this usually happens pretty quickly, and your CSV file may download right away. For larger stores with many orders, Shopify might email you a download link to the address associated with your account, and that's it. You've successfully exported your Shopify orders to a CSV file, ready for reporting, analysis,